Thermador Refrigerator Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Thermador refrigerators that consist of Thermador refrigerator freezer repair and Thermador French door refrigerator repair, along with all other Thermador refrigerator repair models. If your Thermador refrigerator is not cold enough, or your refrigerator water dispenser is not working, maybe your refrigerator ice maker is not working, or your refrigerator is not defrosting. Maybe your refrigerator is noisy or loud, or you have defrost drain problems. Maybe your refrigerator is leaking water. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.